In this video, I will show you how to effortlessly update your Monday.com tasks using the power of Claude AI. Managing a busy workflow can sometimes feel overwhelming, but integrating artificial intelligence into your project management routine makes everything much smoother. To get started, you will need to have both your Monday.com workspace and your Claude account open and ready to go. The process is incredibly simple because it relies on a specific prompt that gives Claude the exact instructions it needs to navigate your boards. You should start by copying a clear and direct prompt to ensure there is no confusion. You will tell Claude to look at your workspace, and then you will provide the specific board name where your task is located. For example, if your board is called Marketing Campaign, be sure to include that exact title. Next, you need to identify the specific task you want to modify. By telling Claude the name of the item, such as website redesign, the AI can pinpoint exactly which row needs an adjustment. Once the task is identified, you can ask Claude to change the status to something like in progress or completed. Finally, you can even update the due date by specifying a day like next Friday or a specific calendar date. After you fill in these small details and send the message, Claude will handle the heavy lifting of updating your project board automatically. This saves you from clicking through multiple menus and keeps your focus on the actual work.